Hey friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Norway. And please watch the full video. This place definitely amaze you. So let's start. The first one is the Atlantic Road. The Atlanter Havsveen are commonly known as the Atlantic Road in English is a gorgeous and impressive drive through one of the best places in Norway, connecting the mainland of Norway with the pretty island of Evroya. It is a great place to drive for the day. Make sure to visit Stave Church too. It's around 600 years old and one of the oldest in the region. Make sure to keep your eyes peeled for stores is Sandet Bridge too. The second one is Hamnøy. Hamnøy in Lofoten has become known the world over for its impressive landscape and unspoiled charm, and it's easy to see why possibly one of the best places in Norway. It is a spot you should definitely head to without hesitation. Make sure to visit the tiny little fishing village of Hamnøy, which is the oldest in Lofoten, posed on the edge of the Rinfjord. It really is a place you shouldn't miss. Also, it looks just as impressive in the day as it does at night, especially if you see the northern lights. If you're still here, then please like this video and share it to your family and friends. The third one is Oslo. Oslo is the capital city of Norway, located in the southern region of the country. There are many beautiful green spaces within the city of Oslo, such as Frogner Park and Vigeland Sculpture Park, and lots of history to be explored in the Viking Ship Museum. Visitors can learn about the earliest inhabitants of Norway, their culture and their means of travel via long wooden ships. There is also the Akershus Fortress, an historic 13th structure along the water's edge of the ford that has been used over the century for protection as a royal palace and even as a prison. The Farm Museum has exhibits on polar exploration, and at Holmen Kolbakken, the world's oldest ski jump, visitors can learn about the history of the sport at the Ski Museum. The fourth one is Allison. Allison, a small port town located on Norway's western coast, is a beautiful little town in a lovely setting. In 1904, nearly the entire town was burned to the ground in a horrific fire, and the rebuilding of the whole town at the same time has made Allison a unique destination simply for the Art Nouveau style architecture in the town. Rugged mountains, gleaming blue ford, and the stunning Norwegian landscape draw visitors to the area, as does its proximity to the Giring Fort, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in town. Museums, parks, architecture, and frequent festivals are sure to keep guests busy for the duration of their stay. The fifth one is Pulpit Rock. You are almost guaranteed one of the best views of Norway from the top of Pulpit Rock. I mean, it's one of the best places in Norway, especially with the vistas you'll see across the fjord. Now, the hike itself took around 4 to 5 hours, but it really depends on how fast and fit you are. The hike itself is pretty amazing too. Just be prepared for changing weather conditions and be extra careful. Once you reach the top, hikers have died falling off the ledge, especially during high winds. The sixth one is Brixton Spring Glacier. Possibly one of the easiest glaciers to visit around Stryn, the Brixton Spring Glacier is truly one of the best places in Norway. You should see the glacier itself is actually an offshoot or arm of the much larger Jostedal Spring Glacier, which is almost amazing to see. So, if you are looking for a challenge, maybe look for another route or a glacier. As I mentioned, it is a pretty easy glacier to see if you are struggling with some of Norway's more challenging hikes, especially due to the troll cars that will take you up to the top. If you do decide to hike, it is a pretty short 45 to 60 minutes to the glacier. The seventh one is Bergen. The seventh one is Bergen. Bergen is a southwest Norwegian city characterized by the many mountains and forts that surround it, including Sogne Fort, which is the longest and deepest fort in the entire country. Colorful houses on the edge of the old wharf greet visitors approaching Bergen from the water. And there is even an old stone fortress alongside the harbor called Bergen Hughes Fortress, Fløyen Mountain, which can be reached by hiking trails or with the help of the Fløibanen funicular, offers beautiful panoramic views of the city and surrounding areas, and in the city visitors to Bergen can enjoy museum historical hopes and delicious seafood. If you enjoy this video, then please like this video and share to your family and friends. Eighth one is Nordfjord. Nordfjord is a beautiful Norwegian district located adjacent to Europe's largest mainland glacier, known for its spectacular mountain valleys, wild coastal Cape region, and rolling, expansive farmland. The district is best known as the home of Norway's Jostedalsbreen National Park, which was established in 1991 to protect the famed glacier of the same name in the Stryn region. Visitors can explore the spectacular lake Hornindalsvatnet, the deepest lake in Europe, reaching depths of nearly 1700 feet below sea level year round. Alpine skiing is popular throughout the district, along with opportunities for biking, glacier hiking, kayaking, and surfing in Loyen. The famed Loyen ski lift at Mountain Hoven offers stunning views of the Nordfjord panorama, traveling a track that spans from fjord to mountain regions in less than 5 minutes. And the last one is Geiranger Fort. Geiranger Fort is a massive and famous fort in western Norway with many beautiful and well-known natural formations that often appear on lists of the most beautiful natural places in the world. The area is a paradise for nature lovers who can find famous waterfalls like the Seven Sisters Cascade or the Bridal Wheel, both of which drop from sheer cliffs in a display of mist and rainbows. Sightseeing trips aboard a boat, by bicycle, or by foot will lead visitors to view of steep mountain faces, sparkling blue waters, and the deep carved glacier valleys that make up the fort. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, share to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.